Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start web development with Barnes & Noble easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start web development with Barnes & Noble, first, visit the Barnes & Noble website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log into your account to access the resources available for developers. Navigate to the Developers section located at the bottom of the homepage. Explore the available tools and documentation. Familiarize yourself with the APIs listed under the developer resources. Read the API documentation thoroughly to understand the functionalities offered. Decide on the specific aspect of web development you want to focus on, such as e-commerce integration or content delivery. Set up your development environment by installing a code editor, such as Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text. Ensure you have a local server environment, like XAMPP or MAMP, to test your applications. Start with basic HTML and CSS to create a simple web page. Integrate JavaScript for interactive features, enhancing user experience. Access the Barnes & Noble API keys from your developer account. Use these keys to authenticate your requests when accessing the API. Begin by making simple API calls to retrieve book data. Display this data on your web page using JavaScript or your preferred web framework. Experiment with different API endpoints to fetch diverse content, such as book reviews and author info. Introduce responsive design to ensure your website works well on mobile devices. Test your website's functionality across various browsers. Seek feedback from peers or mentors to improve your development skills. Iterate on your project, making improvements based on user experience. Continue to explore advanced topics like database integration and user authentication. As you grow more comfortable, consider expanding your project with additional features. Regularly check the Barnes & Noble developer portal for updates and new tools. Keep practicing in building projects to sharpen your web development skills. Stay engaged with the developer community for support and advice. Remember, consistency is key to becoming proficient in web development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.